Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In this lesson, I will explain copywork of textbook lesson 6. Students, first you will prepare the chapter index, glossary, paragraph comprehension and question answers. You will do in your neat copy in your notebook. Glossary, concerted, फैसलाशुदा, रिकन्सिलिएशन, मवाफिकियत, अब बिगड़ी हुई, इग्नाइटेड, रोशन करना, मुनव्वर करना, कॉन्शियसनेस, आगाही, चैनलाइज, रास्ते पर लगाना, विजदरी, तसव्वुराती, नोबल, मुअज़्ज़िज़, एम्बेसडर, सफ़ीर, स्पेन, पैमाइश, स्पैन, पैमाइश, इंस्पायरेशन, इंस्पायरेशन, तख्लीकी काम की तहरीक, टेनेसिटी, मजबूती, concerted, done in a planned and determined way, especially by more than one person, government or country, etc. Government, country, etc. Reconciliation, an end to a disagreement and the start of a good relationship again. Ebb, the period of time when the sea flows away from the land. Ignited, to start to burn, to make something start to burn. Consciousness, the state of being able to use your sense and mental powers to understand what is happening. Channelized, to direct money, feelings, ideas, etc. towards a particular thing or purpose. Visionary, original and showing the ability to think about or plan the future with great imagination and intelligence. Noble, having fine personal qualities that people admire such as courage, honesty and care for others. Ambassador, an official who lives in a foreign country as the senior representative there of his or her own country. Span, the length of time that something lasts or is able to continue. Inspiration, the process that takes place when somebody sees or hears something that causes them to have exciting new ideas or makes them want to create something, especially in art, music, or literature. Tenacity, the quality of not giving up something easily, the quality of being determined. This is paragraph comprehension. Write lesson 6, then paragraph comprehension, give the heading. Page 55, I took paragraph 2 from page 55. In his school days, he was keenly devoted to his studies. He was disciplined and punctual and strictly observed the rules of the school. All these things were signs of his future greatness. His teachers loved him dearly for his outstanding qualities. His father had a friend who discovered in Qaid-e-Azam the signs of a great man. Therefore, he advised his father to send this talented young boy to England for higher studies. Accordingly, Qaid-e-Azam left for England in 1895. There he was admitted to Lincoln's Inn, from where he obtained the degree of Bar-8 Law. After returning home, he started to work as a lawyer. Soon fortune smiled on him, and within a short span of time, he was recognized as a distinguished lawyer. Question number 1. Who was punctual and disciplined? Answer. Qaid-e-Azam was disciplined and strictly observed the rules of the school. Why did his teacher love him? His teacher loved him dearly for his outstanding qualities. Third, which profession did Qaid-e-Azam join? He obtained the degree of Bar-8 Law and started work as a lawyer. In which university Qaid-e-Azam was admitted? Qaid-e-Azam was admitted to Lincoln's Inn, where he obtained the degree of Bar-8 Law. Who discovered in Qaid-e-Azam the signs of a great man? His father had a friend who discovered in Qaid-e-Azam the signs of a great man. Question answers. Question number 1. Why was Jinnah called the ambassador of Hindu-Muslim unity? Muhammad Ali Jinnah brought reconciliation between the Congress Party and the Muslim League in the form of Lucknow Pact 1916. It was because of this pact that he was given the title of Ambassador Hindu-Muslim Unity, Ambassador of Hindu-Muslim Unity by Sarojini Naidu. Question number second. What great qualities did Muhammad Ali Jinnah show when he was a schoolboy? Muhammad Ali Jinnah was keenly devoted to his studies during his school days. He was disciplined and punctual and strictly observed the rules of the school. His teacher loved him dearly. What disillusioned Qaid-e-Azam at the beginning of his political career? Earlier, Qaid-e-Azam believed in joint struggle for the freedom of the subcontinent, but soon he realized that the ambition of Congress was to establish Hindu rule in India. He left the Congress in 1920 and devoted to his service for Muslim League. Question number 4. Why did Gandhi call Qaid-e-Azam as an impossible man? Qaid-e-Azam was a highly intelligent, strictly disciplined and supremely self-confident man. He was capable to drive others and a man of very strong determination. Gandhi called him an impossible man, for he would never compromise on his principles. Why did the people call M.A. Muhammad Ali Jinnah the father of the nation? Qaid-e-Azam created political consciousness amongst the Muslims of subcontinent. It was his guidance and visionary leadership that Muslims became powerful and united. The people call him father of the nation due to his sincere efforts. Describe the qualities of Qaid-e-Azam in 4 lines. Qaid-e-Azam was highly intelligent, strictly disciplined and supremely self-confident man. He was capable to drive others and a man of very strong determination. He stood like a rock against opponents. He would never compromise on his principles. Do this work in your notebook and learn it. Bring your notebook to the school for checking. Stay safe at home. God bless you.